Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix your Bosch Dishwasher E24 error code in 2026. Now this E24 error code is most likely caused by restricted drainage inside the dishwasher. So you need to remove the bottom rack and inspect the filter area, clean out the food debris or grease buildup or broken glass. A blocked filter slows the water removal significantly. Even after cleaning it, the issue still persists. What you can do secondly is you can just simply take a look at the drain hose for kinks and blockages. So you need to pull the dishwasher out carefully and check for the drain hose behind the unit. So behind it, you just have to simply look for any twists or pinched sections or grease clogs, improper installation loops. So straighten or clear the hose as needed. If water begins draining properly after doing this, the external hose restriction was causing the E24 error. Now, if your dishwasher drains through a garbage disposal, you just have to inspect the connection point. The common issues can be clogged sink drain or blocked disposal inlet and knockout plug left installed after new disposal installation. So clearing these restrictions often restores the full drainage. So you can try these easy fixes and see if the E24 error is gone. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.